If someone is no longer supposed to stay on your blocked list, you can remove their number in just a few taps. Follow along as we walk through the quickest way to delete blocked numbers on a Samsung Android phone. Begin by launching the phone app on your Samsung device. This is the same app you normally use to make and receive phone calls. Once the phone app is open, tap the three-dot menu in the upper right corner of the screen. A drop-down menu will appear with several options. From there, select Settings to access your phone's calling preferences. Inside the settings page, look for the block numbers option and tap it. This section displays every phone number you've added to your blocked list. Anyone listed here cannot call or send SMS messages to your device. Scroll through the list until you find the number you want to remove. When you've located it, simply tap the red minus per icon beside the phone number. The number will disappear from the blocked list immediately. After removing the number, that person will once again be able to contact you through regular phone calls and text messages. Keep in mind that unblocking a number doesn't restore previous call history or deleted messages. It only removes the block going forward. If you have several blocked numbers to remove, you'll need to repeat the same process for each one. Samsung phones currently don't provide a remove all or clear all option for blocked contacts. Success! The selected number is no longer blocked on your phone. If you enjoyed this guide, consider subscribing for more easy to follow Android tips, tricks, and troubleshooting videos.